What's up, guys? It's Lee here, and today I'm taking this shotgun shell apart. As you can hear, I've already got some of the pellets out. I'm working with an older knife. Okay, I'm going to have to do some off camera. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna do a little trick real fast. Now see how I've got this right here? Almost done. There's the shot cup. That's the shot cup from the inside of a shotgun shell. Now I'm going to pour the shot back in it. As you can see, it's a shot cup. Here's the wad. There's the powder. For this, you guys, I'm going to have to actually put it on this paper. There's the black powder. And for all you those out there saying this is fake, it's not. But do not try this at home. I've had previous experience with this. I did this over at my dad's house. And if you take and put the stuff near flames, it will go just flame up quickly. So that's why you just don't mess with it. This is Lee, and I'm signing off. Peace.